All of you BMW E90 and E92 owners, listen up. A groundbreaking new upgrade just became available for all of these BMWs, and it allows you to add keyless entry onto any model. So now if you know what BMW's keyless entry system is, it basically allows you to start the car without inserting the key fob into the ignition. So in today's video, I'm going to show you an upgrade that basically allows you to install that on any of these BMWs, but it also takes it a step further. You can track your car anywhere around the world. The doors automatically unlock as soon as you get close to the car. It adds remote start to your BMW, and not to mention, it upgrades your key fob to this brand new generation one right here. So this right here is the kit that's basically going to add the remote start onto our BMW. And so now opening it up, we can see it comes with two key fobs, and look how good these look, guys. These are absolutely beautiful. They have extremely nice weight to them. They're solid metal. They even have the little M Sport striping on here. These are extremely nice. Guys, they feel so good in hand. They feel nice and heavy. So as you guys can see, we have the unlock button at the top, the lock button, the trunk unlatch, and then here we have the siren or the alarm. And I'm pretty sure if you press and hold here, this is actually how you remote start the car. And so here we can see a little button on the side. You press it and the key comes out. Oh, wow, guys. This is such good build quality. It feels extremely heavy, nice and weighted. Absolutely love how this feels. And on top of that, it comes with two of them. So you get two key fobs to start the car, and they're both this extremely premium design. We all know that the E90 E92 key fob doesn't look bad. It really doesn't, especially if you get a nice little cover on it. But I mean, that is a no-brainer, guys. Switching from this old style to this right here, I mean, look at that. Imagine walking up to the car, you unlock it with this, remote start the car. From here, we're gonna have the box, the module that actually plugs up into the car's computer and allows us to enable the new remote start feature. Here we have some instruction manuals telling us how to actually install. So we can see it kind of gives us a step-by-step, so that's nice to have. Put that off to the side. Then now here, we're gonna have all the actual cables and everything like that included. This is gonna be the 4G LTE antenna here. This is what's gonna allow us to actually track the car anywhere around the world. And now these are all the cables and harnesses and etc. And this may look like a lot, guys. It does look like a lot, but honestly, most of this is just plug and play with the adapters that are already on the car. So it doesn't seem like it's going to be absolutely crazy. And so this right here is the NFC chip. This is what's going to allow us to walk up to the car with the key fob and let the doors automatically unlock. If you take out the instruction manual, you can see that you actually get your phone, and then what you do from there is you tap it against the NFC chip that it comes with, and it allows your phone to automatically unlock the doors as soon as you get close to the car. So basically, you're adding your car to the phone the same way you'd add like a credit card and do like tap to pay. And then it looks like we have some more antennas. Comes with everything that we need. It doesn't look like it'll be an insane process. These cables do look like a lot, but a lot of this looks plug and play. It doesn't look like we'll have to splice a lot of it. And now, guys, the biggest thing I'm hyped about is these key fobs. They look absolutely beautiful. They're solid metal. They have extremely nice weight to them. I love the little M Sport striping that they have on them as well. These look absolutely wicked. And on top of that, you get two of them included in the package. So that's absolutely great. I mean, dude, it just looks so good. Like this thing resting on a table somewhere and like, oh yeah, that's my key. Like people know what you're driving right off the bat. And you can buy the little emblem here, not a big deal, but that just looks so good. And it just fits all of the other upgrades that we have going on in the car. I mean, we don't have a lot of things that are stock anymore. So using this key fob as the daily, setting it down right here inside of here, and then simply starting up the car, that is going to be absolutely great. I'm super hyped to actually install this. And now something that's absolutely amazing about this upgrade, guys, is it basically adds a GPS function to the entire car. So you can literally track the car anywhere around the world. So if someone takes your car or anything happens, you can see exactly where it's at all times. And on top of that, you can use a mobile app to start the car completely. So you can bust your phone out, start the car, check all your operating temps, turn your lights on, turn your lights off, open the trunk. You can do all sorts of stuff from a mobile app. This upgrade completely digitalizes and basically revamps your E90 E92 into the next generation. It's absolutely insane. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the mobile app right now. So you can see we can hit start the engine, and it actually starts your car for you through the mobile app. We can cut off the engine. You can open the trunk. It says tailbox, but they actually mean trunk. You can see all the different operating values right here. So we have our cellular here. We have our battery voltage, the coolant temps, if the engine's on or off, your lights, all that stuff, guys. You can also hit car search here. And that's basically going to turn on the alarm of the car. And also you can track the car by going to location. And you can see on the actual map where your car is at all times. So that is super sick. Let's say you want to start the car because it's cold outside or something, right? You can use the key fob if you want to, but let's say you're far away at the other side of like your apartment complex. Then you can bust your phone out and start the car this way here. That is super freaking sick, guys. Oh my God. So you're basically getting the mobile app, 2 of these key fobs, remote start, and on top of that, you're adding keyless entry to where you can just put the key here and then fire up the car. I mean, that to me is an absolute no-brainer. Guys, I'm extremely hyped to install this in my E92. It just came in yesterday, but I felt like I had to do an unboxing and at least show you guys in real time everything that it comes with. The next video I put out will be the full install and my review of the product, so make sure you have that notification bell hit. And yeah, as always, I love you guys so much, genuinely do, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace out.